This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable word wrap in Windows Notepad. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now and I have Windows Notepad opened up. To enable or disable word wrap in Notepad, first thing you want to do is open up the settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner of Notepad up to the little gear wheel. I'm going to click on that. That brings me to the settings page. And down in the text formatting area, you'll see word wrap right here. As you can see, I currently have it enabled, but to disable it, I would just toggle this off, and to enable it, I would toggle it back on. That is how to enable or disable word wrap in Windows Notepad. Thanks for watching.